Welcome again Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today we are discussing another project which name is Euler Tools. The review is divided into two parts. First part is its intro and the second part is about its swap app. So please stay tuned and watch full video. So let's start. What is Euler Tools? Euler Tool is a platform to explore and discover blockchain content. We gather all the data into a single platform which helps you to access blockchain safely, see the movements with transparency, and verify the sources of information. Euler Tools offers an easy to use solution to the dispersion of the information on blockchain for everyone, such as traders, investors, enterprises, and tech enthusiasts. And this is the main website of Euler.tools. And these are the key features of Euler tool: real-time pricing and pool data, explore pairs among multiple exchanges, get pricing charts updated in real time and configure them as you wish. Token and project explorers, wallet and portfolio system, real-time notification. Pricing tiers detail: first is free tier, second is advanced, third is tailor made, and this is the detail of three tiers. You can read it. They are also providing loyalty rewards. Euler Tools is share every month 30% of the Euler token from premium subscription among the users that have staked 40,000 Euler or more in the Euler 40,000 plus staking. The loyalty reward will be shared proportionally based on when the user staked and the amount staked. Example, a user with 10 times more Euler staked in another will receive 10 times more reward. The stake will become available from May 5th. And this is the press release. You can also read these articles: bitcoin.com, bitcoinist, and Euler token detail. The Euler token grants access to additional benefits inside Euler Tools: circulating supply 72%, company reserve 15%, team token 10%, 3.5% burned. Euler is a Web20 utility token that allows access to the premium features of a tool. Every Euler transaction burns 1% of the amount, creating a stable increasing price. Holders have additional benefits including free access to premium features and mostly share of the subscription fees. Token name is Euler, total supply, contract is BSScan, circulating supply type Web20 and burned. And this is the buy Euler token tab. You can simply buy their token. And this is documentation detail. You can download their light paper and can read full detail. And this is press kit. You can also download it. And this is the roadmap detail. Q2 Euler token launch, Euler app launch, Euler staking wallet finance, token and pairs, basic portfolio wallet and yield tracker, blockchain explorer, text address, forums, Polygon Matic integration. Q4 exchange listing, vesting schedule, blockchain analytics, whale trade, fragmentations, private nodes, investors, and all detail is also available here. And these are the team members of Euler project. And this is FAQ section. If you have any kind of question, you can also read all question and their answer is available in this FAQ section. And these are the partners of Euler. These are the social links of Euler's .tools. You can also follow all these for further information. This was all about this project. I hope you will like this video. In the second part of the video, we will discuss about its app swap exchange. So please watch next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.